In today's world where hygiene is paramount, having access to effective hand soap is crucial. However, commercial hand soaps can sometimes contain harsh chemicals or unnecessary additives. Luckily, making your own hand soap at home is not only simple, but also allows you to customize it to your preferences. Ingredients: liquid Castile soap. Acts as the base of your hand soap and provides gentle cleansing. Essential oils. Add fragrance and potential antibacterial properties. Popular choices include lavender, tea tree, lemon, or eucalyptus. Carrier oil helps moisturize the skin. Options include coconut oil, olive oil, or almond oil. Distilled water provides the liquid component of the soap. Optional additives, such as vitamin E oil for additional skin nourishment or aloe vera gel for soothing properties. Output. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating your own DIY hand soap. Instructions. Prepare your container. Choose a suitable container for your hand soap. This could be a recycled pump dispenser or any clean bottle with a tight-fitting lid. Measure ingredients. Depending on the size of your container, measure out the following ingredients: 1 cup of liquid Castile soap, 1 tablespoon of carrier oil 20 drops of essential oils. Adjust according to preference. 1 cup of distilled water. Mixing. Pour the liquid Castile soap into your chosen container. Add the carrier oil and essential oils, and then slowly pour in the distilled water. Gently stir or shake the mixture to combine all the ingredients thoroughly. Testing. Before sealing the container, test the consistency and scent of the hand soap. Adjust the amount of water or essential oils if necessary to achieve your desired texture and fragrance. Storage. Seal the container tightly and store your DIY hand soap in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Shake gently before each use to ensure the ingredients are well mixed. Usage. Dispense a small amount of the hand soap onto wet hands, lather well, and rinse thoroughly with water. Enjoy the natural cleansing and moisturizing benefits of your homemade hand soap. By creating your own hand soap, you not only have control over the ingredients but also contribute to reducing plastic waste by reusing containers. Experiment with different essential oil combinations and carrier oils to find the perfect blend that suits your skin and preferences. With just a few simple steps, you can craft a personalized hand soap that promotes cleanliness and wellness in your daily routine. Lastly, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to follow me. Thanks and have a great day.